Hello, my name is Fernando Guillén and I'm the creator of Playcocola. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to start collecting video recordings from your playtesters using Playcocola. Let me show you how the easy process looks like. Once you are in your Playcocola account, let's create a playtesting session. You can add a title and a description. They will be visible for your playtesters. Once the play session is created, you can share the invitation link with your playtesters. Let's see now what your playtester sees. She opens the link. She sees the Playcocola test platform. She reads and follows the instructions. In this case, it's asking me to open the Octopi website, access the recording permissions, and click the Start Session button. The playtester screen is being already recorded. She can begin to play your game. Once the session is finished, she clicks in the Finish Session button. The video recording upload will start automatically. In the meantime, your playtester might want to share some comments with you. And that is all for your playtester. Back into your Playcocola account, you can see all your play sessions, and from here, all the video recordings your playtester has generated for you. And that is all for both you and your playtester. I hope you can see the potential of this and you think it might help you to make your game even better. Visit our landing page and ask me for a free early access invitation. I'll be happy to help you in anything I can with your play testing sessions. Thank you for your attention.